So I was upgrading the stereo of my boat, and I want a new amplifier to run my speakers. So this is a great one to work with because it has 4 channels, so it covers all my different speakers, so I can get the surround sound effect. And it's 6800 watts, which is more than enough to run all my 4 speakers that I have inside this boat. So I'm going to open it up and show you what we got, see what you can work with too. This is it. So I like this because it's a very compact unit. It's simple to mount, just right out that in there. You have all your different connections that are easy to get to with a screwdriver, along with all your in and out, your RCAs, your different options like that. It's all right there, and you can switch between all your adjustments. So it's honestly a quick and simple little unit. It works out pretty nice. Also comes with all your cables. Fresh cable right there you can add for your power cable. Comes with your RCA cables, connect with your head unit. We have end terminals for the main power itself. Inline fuse, because you always want to make sure all your systems are circuit protected. Communication wire, and then you got some ground wire and some RCA cables. So it has everything you need to make this a full and complete system, which is actually very nice, especially to have an inline fuse with it. A lot of stuff, if you get an amplifier, you're on your own for getting that. So this is actually a full kit that has everything you need to tie in with a head unit. So all you really need is a head unit and speakers. Beyond that, this covers the rest of it. So I actually recommend it.